इंसानियत दिल में होनी चाहिए, हैसियत में नहीं, कि इंसानियत दिल में होनी चाहिए, हैसियत में नहीं। ऊपर वाला करम देखता है, कि ऊपर वाला करम देखता है, वसीयत नहीं। ज़मीं से आसमां तक पहुंच गए, कि ज़मीं से आसमां तक पहुंच गए, फिर भी एक अफसोस की बात है कि इंसान ज़मीं से आसमां तक पहुंच गए, फिर भी एक अफसोस की बात है। मुड़कर देखो तो आज भी इंसानियत वहीं के वहीं खड़ी है, इंसानियत वहीं के वहीं खड़ी है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डायरेक्टर सर एंड ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। First of all, I would like to say thank you so much to my sir who has given me a beautiful chance to improve my communication skill. I am thankful to my sir because we don't get this chance often to tell ourselves who we are. So I got this chance. So I would like to say again thank you so much to my sir. So myself is Tahseen Shakil Khan. I belong to Alawal Devariya. This time I'm learning English from ECL. I'm gonna become a social worker. Today I'm standing here because I'm about to tell about humanity. Do you know humanity? Yes. Anybody know, but anybody can't understand real means of humanity. I know this word is little, but my dear brothers and sisters, education never complete without humanity. If you have humanity, so you can do anything. So now I'm going to tell you about my topic. So first of all, I would like to tell a story. There was a place, a lot of the people lived there. So in the same place, there lived a boy named Raju. He was a good boy and also innocent. So it's one day he was going to school. When he reached in school, so all the students started studying fine. When he reached in school, so all students started studying fine because he was belong to middle class family. Because he was belong to middle class family. He didn't speak anything and he used to cry and be silent. He didn't speak anything and he used to cry and be silent. When he got home, he often asked question to his father. When he got home, he often asked the question to his father. Why do people do this? I'm also human being. Yes, they are human being. His dad smiled and started telling another story. There lived a dog in place. One day the dog was hungry too much and the dog went to bungalow for eat. So when the owner of the bungalow came to know, he beaten the dog too much. Think now, my dear brothers and sisters, he couldn't certify the dog anger. Humans have gone up a lot, but today humanity is same. It's matter of one day, the owner of the bungalow was roaming around in night. So suddenly he had accident. So there was no people around. So his accident person run away without doing anything. So at the same time the dog was worrying around. And the dog immediately started barking for help. When the dog saw, and the dog immediately started barking for help. That time blazers were sleeping, and blazers heard the dog voice. He came to with stick to kill the dog. When they got there and show, owner of the bungalow had accident. Thinks now, my dear brothers and sisters, there is a humanity in animals. But today humanity is not human. The greatest act of the man is the best space on earth. It is the duty of every human being. Respect humanity and show humanity. If a person doesn't help each other, even then the God doesn't help that person. If we give food to a hungry person and water to a thirsty, it shows humanity. show humanity. There should be compulsion in the heart of man. There should be compulsion in the heart of man. The humans being having a sense. The humans being having a sense of always do to good other. The humans being having a sense of humanity. Always do to good other. Man is the only creature in the world. Man is the only creature in the world who can understand all emotional. Who can understand all emotional. But today humans being engaged. But today humans being engaged in moving ahead by hurting other. Ahead by hurting other. This is not humanity, my dear brothers and sisters. This is not humanity, my dear brothers and sisters. You are hurting someone for your own snake. You are hurting someone for your own snake, because today only man will help each other. Because today only man will help each other. Humans being, it's called humanity. It's called humanity. Man is a social creature that live in the society. Man is a social creature that live in the society and has to live in harmony with the all people. No work can be done. No work can be done by man alone. No work can be done by man alone. Therefore we should always keep humanity in us. Keep humanity in us and help the needy people. It is the duty of every human being. It is the duty of every human being. So humanity at time. I would like to end up my topic by singing this line. चंद सिक्कों में बिकता है यहाँ इंसानों का ज़मीर. चंद सिक्कों में बिकता है यहाँ इंसानों का ज़मीर. कौन कहता है मेरे मुल्क में महंगाई बहुत है? कौन कहता है मेरे मुल्क में महंगाई बहुत है? इंसानियत की रोशनी गुम हो गई कहाँ? कि इंसानियत की रोशनी गुम हो गई कहाँ? साए तो है आदमी के मगर लेकिन आदमी कहाँ? साए तो है आदमी के लेकिन आदमी कहाँ? पानी की कोई जात नहीं होती, रोटी का कोई धर्म नहीं होता. पानी की कोई जात नहीं होती, रोटी का कोई धर्म नहीं. जहाँ इंसानियत जिंदा है, जहाँ इंसानियत जिंदा है, वहाँ मेज़बान की कोई बात नहीं होता. वहाँ मेज़बान की कोई बात नहीं होता. बड़ी बड़ी डिग्रियाँ लेने के बाद भी अगर आप में इंसानियत नहीं है, बड़ी बड़ी डिग्रियाँ लेने के बाद में भी अगर आप में इंसानियत नहीं है, तो 100% आप दुनिया के सबसे बड़े जाहिल हो. दुनिया के सबसे बड़े जाहिल हो. कभी भी किसी इंसान के उसके लिबास से हकीर मत समझो. कभी भी किसी इंसान को उसके लिबास से उसको हकीर मत समझो. याद रखो मेरे दोस्तों, उसको देने वाला और आपको देने वाला एक ही है. उसको देने